goodness. The truck just crashed into the median, y'all. Got all this going on now. Holy. Don't hit me, anybody. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, another car. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. They're trying to get someone out of the car. Is she okay? Oh my God, I hit that truck. She's okay, guys. Everyone's trying to help. I would go help, but it looks like they got it under control. Unless there's somebody still in the car. Oh my goodness, Lord. This truck hit this car. Truck ran into the median. Alright, I gotta get around. I gotta get around. Let me out, somebody, please. Oh my goodness. Go ahead, car. Oh my goodness. Wow. Guys, it's bad. I just got something in my eye.